Ayurveda described the microbiome 5,000 years ago without microscopes. They called it Agni, digestive fire. They understood that gut health controls everything. Modern science is now confirming what ancient practitioners knew. The Ayurvedic approach to gut health is more advanced than anything in Western medicine. Here's what they discovered. Ayurveda teaches that all disease begins in the gut. They developed comprehensive protocols for digestive health that modern research validates. Today, I'm revealing 5 Ayurvedic principles that science now confirms optimize your microbiome and exactly how to use them. Principle number 1, Agni, the digestive fire. Ayurveda centers on Agni, your digestive fire. Strong Agni means powerful digestion and robust health. Weak Agni means poor digestion and disease. This isn't mystical. Agni represents stomach acid, digestive enzymes, gut motility, and bacterial balance. Everything modern medicine measures, Ayurveda understood 5,000 years ago. Signs of strong Agni: regular hunger at mealtimes, no bloating, easy digestion, formed stools, high energy. Signs of weak Agni: no appetite, constant bloating, undigested food in stool, fatigue, food sensitivities. Modern science confirms this completely. What Ayurveda called weak Agni, we now call low stomach acid, insufficient enzymes, and bacterial overgrowth. Principle number 2. Food combining. Ayurveda teaches specific food combinations that support or damage digestion. Modern science initially dismissed this. Now research validates it. Never combine fruit with meals. Fruit digests quickly. When combined with slower digesting foods, it ferments in the stomach, creating gas and bloating. Research on food transit times confirms this. Don't mix dairy with sour or salty foods. Ayurveda says this creates AMA, digestive toxins. Science shows this combination can impair digestion and increase inflammation. Eat proteins with vegetables, not starches. Proteins need acidic environments. Starches need alkaline. Together, they neutralize each other. Modern biochemistry confirms optimal pH for protein versus carb digestion differs significantly. Beans with rice is encouraged. This traditional combination provides complete protein. Science now shows this pairing also supports gut bacterial diversity better than either alone. Principle number 3, digestive spices. Ayurveda uses specific spice combinations to strengthen Agni. Modern research proves these spices dramatically improve digestion. Ginger increases stomach acid production and gut motility. Studies confirm ginger accelerates gastric emptying and reduces bloating. Cumin, coriander, and fennel, the classic Ayurvedic digestive trinity. Research shows cumin stimulates digestive enzymes, coriander reduces gas, and fennel relaxes intestinal muscles. Black pepper increases nutrient absorption by up to 2,000%, according to studies. Ayurveda knew this millennia ago, always combining it with turmeric. Cardamom prevents bacterial overgrowth while supporting beneficial bacteria. Modern research confirms its selective antimicrobial properties. Ayurvedic meals aren't just flavored with spices. They're medicine designed to optimize digestion with every bite. Principle number 4, eating according to your constitution. Ayurveda teaches 3 doshas, vata, pitta, kapha. Each requires different foods for optimal digestion. Modern microbiome research now shows gut bacterial composition varies between individuals, requiring personalized nutrition. Vata types, thin, anxious, irregular digestion, need warm, cooked grounding foods. Raw salads worsen their digestion. Research shows some people indeed have difficulty with raw vegetables due to specific bacterial deficiencies. Pitta types, strong appetite, prone to inflammation, need cooling foods. Spicy foods trigger inflammation. Studies confirm individual inflammatory responses to foods vary based on microbiome composition. Kapha types, slow digestion, weight gain, need light, stimulating foods. Heavy dairy worsens their digestion. Research validates that certain gut bacterial profiles process fats poorly. This ancient, individualized approach predates modern, personalized nutrition by 5,000 years. Principle number 5, meal timing and routine. Ayurveda teaches eat your largest meal at midday when Agni is strongest. Modern chronobiology confirms digestive enzymes peak midday. Eat at the same times daily. This establishes rhythm. Research on circadian rhythms shows gut bacteria follow daily cycles. Regular meal timing optimizes bacterial function. Fast for 12 hours overnight minimum. Ayurveda called this giving Agni rest. Modern research shows this activates the migrating motor complex and promotes autophagy. Don't eat when upset or stressed. Ayurveda says this weakens Agni. Science confirms stress diverts blood from digestion and reduces enzyme production. The Ayurvedic daily routine. Morning, drink warm water with lemon to awaken Agni. Research shows warm water stimulates gut motility. Lemon provides digestive enzymes. Before meals, eat a slice of fresh ginger with lime and salt. This practice, called ginger appetizer, stimulates stomach acid. Studies confirm ginger increases gastric acid production. During meals, sip warm water or ginger tea. Cold drinks dampen Agni. Research shows cold liquids slow digestion and reduce enzyme activity. After meals, walk for 10 to 15 minutes. This supports digestion. Modern research confirms post-meal movement improves gastric emptying and blood sugar control. Foods that strengthen Agni Khichari, rice and mung bean porridge with spices. This is the Ayurvedic healing food. Easy to digest, provides complete protein, and supports gut bacteria. Studies show mung beans specifically increase beneficial bacteria. Ghee, clarified butter. Ayurveda calls it the best fat for digestion. Research confirms ghee contains butyrate, the preferred fuel for colon cells. Warm, cooked foods over raw, cold foods. Ayurveda teaches cooking makes nutrients accessible. Modern research shows cooking increases bioavailability of many nutrients. Digestive teas, cumin, coriander, fennel boiled together. This traditional tea combination reduces bloating and supports enzyme production. Foods that weaken Agni, leftovers, older than 24 hours. Ayurveda says old food accumulates AMA. Research shows bacterial growth and nutrient degradation increase significantly after one day. Cold, raw foods in excess. Ayurveda teaches these dampen digestive fire. Science confirms raw foods require more digestive energy and can stress weak digestion. Processed foods with preservatives. Ayurveda didn't have these, but warned against denatured foods. Modern research shows preservatives and additives damage gut bacteria. Overeating. Ayurveda says fill stomach halfway with food. 1/4 water, 1/4 empty. Research confirms moderate portion control optimizes digestion. Modern science validates Ayurveda. Recent microbiome research increasingly validates Ayurvedic principles. Studies show individualized nutrition based on microbiome composition works better than generic advice. Exactly what Ayurveda taught through doshas. Research on meal timing confirms circadian rhythm affects digestion, as Ayurveda described. Studies on food combinations verify some pairings digest better together. The focus on digestive strength, rather than just adding probiotics, aligns with modern understanding that environment matters more than just bacterial count. Implementing Ayurvedic gut wisdom. Start with one principle. Begin strengthening Agni with ginger tea before meals. Notice improved appetite and reduce bloating within days. Add digestive spices to cooking. Cumin, coriander, fennel, and ginger transform ordinary meals into digestive medicine. Observe food combining. Separate fruit from meals. Eat proteins with vegetables. Notice reduced gas and bloating. Establish meal timing routine. Eat largest meal midday. Maintain 12-hour overnight fast. Eat at consistent times. Practice mindful eating. Sit down. Eat slowly. Avoid eating when stressed. This alone dramatically improves digestion. Fast 12 hours nightly. Ancient wisdom meets modern research. Both say the same thing. Gut health is everything. Ayurveda just figured it out 5,000 years earlier.